In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up photos to Google Photos. If you want to keep your pictures safe and make sure they're available across your devices, Google Photos makes that process very simple. Once backup is turned on, your photos can automatically upload to your Google account, which is a great way to avoid losing important memories if something happens to your phone. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're in the app's main screen and that everything has loaded properly before moving on. This is where all of your images and videos are organized, and it's also where you can access the settings you need for backup. Next, go to your profile. You'll usually find your profile picture or account icon in the top corner of the screen. Tap on that to open your account menu. This area gives you access to important options related to your Google Photos account, including storage and backup settings. From inside your profile menu, press Turn on Backup. In many cases, this is the fastest way to enable photo backup right away. If you see that option, just tap it and follow through so Google Photos can begin saving your images to the cloud. And this is the most direct method, especially if backup has never been enabled before. There's also another way to reach the same setting if you don't see that option immediately. You can go to Photos settings by scrolling down in the profile menu. This is helpful because sometimes the layout can look slightly different depending on your device or app version. Just keep scrolling until you find Photo Settings, then tap to open it. Once you're inside Photo Settings, press Backup. This will take you to the section where Google Photos manages whether your images are being uploaded automatically. It's also the place where you can review your current backup status. Then toggle on backup. As soon as this switch is enabled, Google Photos will begin backing up eligible photos and videos from your device. Depending on how many files you have, the first backup may take some time, so it's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi if possible and keep the app available in the background. And that's it. By turning on backup in Google Photos, you're making sure your pictures are stored more securely and are easier to access later. If your backup doesn't seem to start right away, give it a moment and check that your internet connection is stable. Once everything is on, your future photos should continue backing up automatically.